Hi and welcome to issue 4 3D create your own 3D printer. Okay, no more cardboard with it, so it's just this how it comes from now on, I think. And that's the front, that's the fourth bit, that's the bit I've got so far. That bit there, I think that bit probably goes in that bit there. Not sure about that bit yet, but looks a bit. Next issue 5, collect a bit of wiring and a few more bits and pieces. It's nothing getting exciting. Quick look at the magazine. Ooh. Oh, some more cardboard. Don't know what this bit of cardboard's for. Spare cardboard. Keep that to one side, but I don't think that's anything. Just keep it flat, I think. Let's see. Web access code. The prototype business. The world of 3D printing. Shape for things to come. Water bottles you can print. The use of 3D printing has penetrated just about every area of consumer product manufacture. Circles and components. Designer dice. Make your own components. Roll the dice. Clear guidelines. This is like an order thing. We can order a magazine for all the 3 things you get with it. Create the die holes. Choosing the correct filament. PLA versus ABS. PLA properties are stronger and more rigid than ABS. Properties more flexible and easier to finish than PLA. Good. So they both put PLA and ABS different like plastic, I think, and both got the goods and bads. So depending what you're making, this is what you need, I suppose. Flexible friend for quick make. And this is the bit I want to know. So I'll make sure that's the right way around. So yeah, so that bit is that bit, and so again I've got to take that bit off. And that bit goes in the middle, so I've got I can sculpt a tree, chess set, robot parts, take the charge of the tools, and that's issue 5. Okay, so let's go back to this bit, create the parts. this bit out. Okay, so one pole, let's take that out. Okay, pole, which is that bit, which is the Y shaft, Y axis belt holder, and a screw, or should it call the bolt. Okay. Okay, so it looks like I've got to undo the two bolts. So it looks like I've got to do these two bolts there. Those two bolts I've got to undo. So basically every week I've got to do some bolts, then undo the bolts in the following week. Okay. Okay, and then unscrew the Y shaft fitting base. So looks like that goes in there. That goes in there like so. So refit that one. So slide the Y shaft supplied through the Y axis liner in a bang line into socket into the second shaft, which I think I've done. And try to keep the shaft straight as you slide it through to avoid displacing the bearings. Okay, then refit the shaft fixing base, so I've got to put that bit back on again. Screw it loosely to the cover with the two nuts and bolts. Do not tighten the nuts yet. Okay, so I've got to re-put this in here. Undo them, do them up, undo them, do them up. This is so fiddly. Oh dearie me. This is so fiddly. Oh dear. Oh dear, these keep on falling out. And I haven't done this too well because you've got to keep on taking them out, putting them back in, taking them out, putting them back in. It's not very good what they've done. No, it's just wasting time taking these screws out and then putting them back in again, taking them out and putting them back in again. No, you should have to do this once, not every week. They should have thought about this a bit more. Not have to keep on taking them out. This is so annoying. Oh dear. So tiny. Oh dear. Oh, I think that's in. Oh dear, so close. Oh dear, I keep on dropping it. I think that's in. Yay, that's in. Just make this one easier. slide the y-axis line block along the two Y shards from one end to the other and then back again. If it won't slide, slacken off the shaft base a little bit move. So I've got to make sure this line. Okay, and then take the y-axis belt holder, so it's like that, and I think that goes down like that. Okay, so let me just tighten these up. I hope I don't have to undo these again. It's so annoying. Okay, so this goes here like that, and then that screw. I think that's it. Take the white belt and the two prongs pointing downwards, bridging over the hole in the centre base thread. So I think that's it. Okay, well that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.